Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame, work down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely turned down pretty solid. I've been thinking that this was going to go up and take out this previous high right here, so maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, then maybe up again for a wave 5. There is a chance that this just keeps on going down, and I definitely would suggest shorts on sort of time frames until we get a break of structure to the upside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. And if you're looking for short and it never breaks to the upside and just keeps on pushing down, that definitely shouldn't create a problem. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, for me, the most recent structure is best seen on like the 2 to 4 hour time frame right here. If it breaks above here, then I definitely will go back to looking for longs. If it doesn't break above there, then anything I see to the upside very likely could just be a pullback within this move down. Keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels. If it does break up at any one of these levels, then I would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But for now, momentum is down, no break of structure, looking for shorts on pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.